Hello and welcome to this presentation on what chat helper is and what can it do for you. So basically it's a script sending and sales tracking and reporting app. It's basically always going to be on top of anything you want. You can hide it, you can show it, you can resize it however big or small you want it. And when you want to send like scripts, you can just like click and they will be pasted. And if you want to instantly send scripts, you just hold control and then you can click and the scripts will be instantly sent. To track your sales, you can just like depending on which model made the sale, you can like click and it will automatically add it. If you're getting a tip, you can like hold control and get those tips, and you will have like a goal that you can edit indicated so you can track your progress. So basically, if you want to change your, let's say this, and let's say chew, and let's say 420, you can basically add all the amounts. I already made this because I'm recording for the 50th time, but let's say like 530. You can now use it to change the pricing. So when you're done with your shift, you can just like go into the report and you can like copy your report, let's say notepad, and you can like instantly paste your report and it will be all tallied up. And you can even add sales to other models like Chew2, let's say like 14. So this is just like text and it will not count, but yeah, it will show up there. So yeah, I want to say, so yeah, it will be over everything. When you're done with the shift or you're in a new shift, you can just like reset everything and it'll be ready to go. Your numbers won't reset, don't worry about that. So let's say you want to add your script to this. The classic way is to add a page and then add cards, and then you can like edit the cards. But the new way and the faster way is using this quick page maker. So let's say I want to vibing. Let's just add this, it doesn't matter. And I like to make headers, so I'm gonna use this for the name, and the names will be automatically generated. You can name them something different or something shorter. If you have like longer sentences, you can give them nicknames or whatever, but these are short, so I don't feel like I need to give them the names. You can just like add slots, and if you like don't have it, don't worry. Let's select all of these and let's color them. Let's make it like a gradient from this color to this color, and I like to keep my labels black. So let's create that page and it's ready to go. So yeah, I'm using Telegram to show you because it's easy and you can instantly use your scripts. To set hotkeys, if you want to use like hotkeys, right click, set a hotkey. It's already been used, this hotkey that I tried, that's okay. Let's set a control 4. And basically this is so you can have like control if you don't want to accidentally like send the hotkey. If you set it to off, when you're using the hotkey, it will just paste. But if you set it to, let's say, on, then when you use it, it will automatically send. So the next feature is the clock, or rather I should say like the reminder. So if you need to do something based on an interval, like say like sending mass messages or stuff, you just say how big the interval is, and when you want it to start, you can turn it off, on, it will just beep a couple of times. It will annoy you until you like click and turn it off. If you need a smaller timer that you can use multiple times without with them stacking, you can just say, okay, I need to send this to Chew in like 3.5 minutes, and then let's say like 5 minutes I need to send it to Chulaka. They will stack and they're purposely like not shown, not indicated, so you don't worry about it. It will pop up, don't worry about it. It will just like pop up and say the name that you need, and that's it. So when you start getting a lot of pages, you can basically, for readability, like collapse them. And if you really want some of them to always be visible, you can just like add them to favorites and they will pop up there. If you want to share, let's say you want to share the vibing script with somebody who has this app, you can just like export it. It will be copied automatically, and they can just like go into the settings, import page, paste it, and then they will have the new vibing scripts. You can also edit any scripts here if you want them, or you can like edit them the traditional way with the right click. If you're using like emojis or some fancy lettering, like it's bolded or it's increased in size, or text, this basically has support for that. It's basically HTML rich text, but it doesn't matter, we have support for that. Any page, you can open it up in a new window. So if you want to have multiple of them ready, I like to put like this here and have like smaller ones where I need to use them, just so I don't need to go and look for them. But if you send like a hotkey here for, let's say, like Control 7, it will work if you're like on another page. Do not worry about that. So we have, you can turn particles off, you can change the sounds. We have this nifty feature called price space. So if you're typing a lot of numbers and you hate that, you just like set a hotkey. Let's say it like to right alt. When you press right alt, your prices that you set can be used, and you can like instead of like typing them a million times, you can just like use it here. You have a couple of different themes, and you can turn the shortcut info on and on these cards if you don't like it indicated for some reason, or you really want them for some reason. That's it. That's it. This is like for some transfers from older to new versions. And yeah, you can basically double control to hide the app at any moment. If it's standing over something and you need to see under it, you can just like hide it. Or if you need to screenshot or something, you can just like hide it. Every clock, every alarm will work, even if you hide it, even if you're like on another monitor, everything will work. I hope you enjoyed, and see you.